they feel they're protected this way.
Two well-known lawyers from Bergamo were appointed, Enrico Polillo and Andrea Pizzelli.
Okay, so I'm trying to figure out my new phone and how to record. And so this is the new vacuum that I just ordered. As soon as I got home, I opened up the box. There's the mess. I couldn't wait to use this because I hate hair. I don't like my own on me. I don't like animal hair, but I love my animals. So this is the vacuum. It's easy to put together. The hose just clicks into this area. Here's the canister. Canister comes off easily. Just pull that up and then it comes out and then you can empty it. It's got a cute little leather handle. Here is the power, okay? So we're gonna show you the different speeds here. Here's the lowest. It's not very loud. We're gonna hit max just to increase. That's the medium. And that's the, max. We're gonna do medium right now. I've already been doing this with my cat. To clean, here's a button that you push. You are cleaning the cat or dog, whatever you have, animal, I guess. And I'll show you because here's Exhibit A. And I'm gonna do the medium. Sorry, I'm not gonna win video of the year, for recording. She likes it. She doesn't mind it. I was using a handheld before. I thought that this would be so much better. It's got the vacuum to suck it up right away instead of having hair all over the place. So, like I said, this is medium. She does not mind it. She is loving it. It's got good suction. So let me just show you the hair. Okay, here's the hair. You're gonna push the clean. Okay. So push it, and it gets sucked up. Okay, if it doesn't, put it on the ground. Gone. Okay. There's no hair really anywhere around, which I'm happy about because, like I said, I do not like hair. So again, I will continue to brush. This is like a medium again. And she likes it. She's rolling all over the place for me. Here. Okay, hang on. Put it down here. And it is gone. So overall, vacuum's good. I would recommend it. Wow. That's insane.
Şu biraz oturup kafanı biraz yukarı çekebilir misin? Kafanı tutuyorum. Şu biraz aşağı inebilir misin? Nasıl da hoşuna gitmiyor?
This is just incredible. I absolutely adore this. And I have tons of Mimi fur now, and it separates into these bats. Like, my mind is blown at this moment. You dirty belly.
Hey guys, let's groom Huey Marley. You may be wondering, Sade, why are you grooming your dog at home? Well, back in August, I took my dog for his routine grooming, and unfortunately, they severed his toe, and his toe, which was extra, had to be removed surgically. And ever since then, I made a promise to myself and to him that I will be the one grooming him. So I found this awesome grooming tool from Amazon. It has 5 attachments, 6 different clipper shields, and it comes with a vacuum. And as you can see, the cleanup is so easy and effortless. No mess, minimal mess. And it has a vacuum hose attachment so that if it does kind of make a mess, you can clean it up. Shop this product in my Amazon storefront.
Okay.